Hi guys, just joining. Hi, I am the fastest, most powerful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my second video. This is my second video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notifications. Okay. Should I play Money Race? Series. Like or pass? What does like or pass mean? How many people active? Yeah, I want to see how many people. 4K is a lot. Okay, that's my goal of subscribers. 4K. 4K, my goal of subscribers. Make sure to get to 4K, and then I'll tell you my other goal. My dream is being a professional athlete. Yes, that's nice. Yeah, being a professional athlete. That's nice. Pretty good. Pretty good. I'm pretty, physical guy. Why? Bro, and make sure to subscribe. I am pretty ill, so make sure to subscribe for me to go to the doctor. Yeah. I'm getting my nose off. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. So network connect. Reconnect. Okay, reconnect. It will hopefully work. I don't know. I hope. This pressure. Oh, fine. Okay, that's it. That reminds me of some Taiwan's very YouTuber doing this. I have never did this before in real life. I've never did it in real life, but I'm about to do it in Roblox. Bye. Okay, I wanna watch that. Bye. Why? Bro crying because someone rejected it, or he rejected. So he said bye, and then he finally saw it. And I wanna be the picker. Yeah, I wanna be the picker. I think it would be nice. Like crazy real games, like PES. And I think it's nah. I was about to say Christmas edition, but nah, I don't think so. I rejected my word, so I know. If I had to pick either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would go with this one, the second one, from the pink one, and next to that, not next to the question marks, but next to the black pole, the thing which carry the curtain over the head. Yeah, the second one next to the pink girl. That other pink girl to the left. The pink girl to the left. Yeah, that one. But I don't want the pink girl. I want the middle girl. Yeah. Not this middle. No. Let me play the game. Like if you push my device is so hot right now. Yeah, I was playing this game, but on a different other device. A different device. I played it on a PC. But right now I'm playing it in I played it on a PC. Right now while I'm playing it. Same PC, but no, that was a different PC. So this is the girl I like. Please, it's a desert. Please, I can't. How in the world did I do that?